Hi folks, today I will tell you how to locate and clean your oxygen sensor in a 1NZ FE engine. So first of all you have to look for the exhaust manifold, which is located here in the rear, and after that there are four 10 mm bolts. You have to remove them, and it's a hectic job because the area is cramped and it takes a bit of time to unscrew those bolts. After doing that, just remove the exhaust manifold cover, and there lies your oxygen sensor in this area. Use a socket wrench. Use a socket wrench to unscrew. First of all, unclip it, and after unclipping, just unscrew the oxygen sensor. Here you can see the oxygen sensor seems a bit clogged. Now I will clean the oxygen sensor thoroughly. I will use WD-40 and petrol to clean the oxygen sensor. There are basically two oxygen sensors. One is located upstream of the CAT converter, and the other is located downstream. So I am cleaning the upstream O2 sensor. I will be using WD-40. If you have got a carb cleaner, that is the perfect thing, but I don't have a carb cleaner. I will be using WD-40, and I will be using an old toothbrush to clean the gunk and anything that is hindering your sensor from reading the real oxygen levels. I will clean it thoroughly.